pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Hudson local and long-distance movers. Near me. Hiring a local mover is a brilliant choice if you plan to move within Hudson, Massachusetts. Attempting a DIY move may not give you productive results. You need a reliable, efficient, affordable mover like Hudson Local Movers. We have the expertise to navigate the town's roads, handle your belongings, and make your move a breeze. When planning your move within Hudson, hire a local company that knows the town inside and out. With their help, you can move efficiently and enjoy all the town offers. So whether you're moving out of Hudson for a new job, to be closer to family, or for a change of scenery, you'll need the expertise of Hudson Long Distance 3 Movers. With their help, you can focus on settling into your new home and enjoying all the adventures in your new location. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hudson Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.